Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about IXL H4 properties of equations. Mainly there are four properties of equations: addition property, subtraction property, multiplication and division property. There are also other properties such as closed, so distribution property. There are other properties, but on IXL, on this assignment, we only deal with four of them, the basic ones, the operations. So what we do, which property of equality is shown below. If there's an equation given and then there's another equation, what they want us to do is figure out the logic chain between the two equations. How do you end up with the second equation if the first one is given? That's kind of the chain of logic in this sort of questions. So all you have to do is looking for the difference. On the left side or on the right side, it looks simpler. That's why I'm looking at the right side. I had 31 and it turned into y times 31. So this is the difference on the right side, times y. It looks like it's multiplication. Let's check the left side out as well. That's my left side original, and then the additional stuff that is brought down is times y. So it's the same on the left side too. So this is multiplication property of equality. Let's move on to another question. So look, this stays the same on the left side from the first step to the second step. The thing that is changed is 82 plus. So we are adding 82 on the left side. Is that the same on the right side? So this right here is what stays the same. The difference is 82 plus. So this is addition property because it's on both sides of the equation. Let's skip one level, and this one here, that stays the same. They're adding r, so this is addition as well. Now let's move on one level. Again, look for what stays the same and what changes. The change is going to tell you what property you're dealing with. So in here, we have negative 80 on the left side. It's over here. And then the difference is times negative 4. Since we say times, it's multiplication property. And same on the right side. This is the part that stays the same. This is the difference, times negative 4. So this one is multiplication property as well. And let's do one more. This is the last one. On the right side, we have negative 19, right? It's over here as well. The part that is added is this negative 12. So it is subtraction. But some resources, such as Study Island, does not have subtraction property as an option. It's not a thing. Because subtraction is basically addition. Here is why. It may sound weird, but let's say we are adding 2 to 6 and we end up with 8, right? This is addition. I can write this as a subtraction as well. 6 minus something, the answer is going to be 8. 6 minus, the answer is going to be 8. So that number could very well be negative 2. So basically, addition property, subtraction property, it's just like an illusion. You can turn one into the other. Or take this, 7 minus 3. So when you see this, if there is no option such as subtraction property, that means your answer is addition property, because you can write this as an addition as well. You can just do this, 7 plus another number equals to 4. What's that other number? If the number is negative 3, the answer is going to be 4. So again, addition and subtraction, they're just like illusion. You can just write one in the form of the other. Same thing happens with multiplication and division. Technically, the only properties that exist are like addition and multiplication. Subtraction and division are like different versions of those two. But still, if you see the one that makes the most sense, which is subtraction for this question, pick that one. If that's not an option, remember that subtraction and addition can be easily converted from one to the other. Okay? This information is going to help you with Study Island assignment, because subtraction is not an option on Study Island. So That's all I want to mention in this video. Let's real quick look at this one as well. The original is V. It's right here. What's going on is it's divided by W. So it is divided. Same thing with this. That whole expression is divided by W in the next step. So what's going on is division. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video, guys.